Hello and welcome to this demonstration of GoPayFast Payment Gateway for Odoo. Let's get started. Go to the configuration menu under invoicing and click on payment provider and open GoPayFast Payment Provider. Here you can configure all the required settings for the payment gateway. Enter your merchant ID and secured key provided by GoPayFast. If you are testing the integration, select test mode. If you are using your live merchant account, select enable to process production payment and also ensure the payment methods is enabled. It should be active so it becomes available to customers during website checkout and invoice payments. Now go to the website and open any product. For example, I want to pay my invoice. Click on pay now. Right now GoPayFast is the only available payment method. Click on pay button. It will redirect to the secure GoPayFast page. Now I want to pay with credit card. Enter the credentials. In my case, month is 1 and year is 39 and CV is 123. Now click on pay. After the payment is successful, GoPayFast automatically redirects the customer back to Odoo. The payment transaction is verified and the payment status is automatically updated. I hope you got this video helpful. Thank you.